Hey co-pilots, even a short flight can cost you an enormous amount of money, so to speak. And in my case, it all comes down to this tiny little thing. In this episode, I'm going to tell you about my personal experience. So buckle up and off we go. The story I'm going to tell you about actually started 2 years ago. I traveled to the south of Germany to get a few shots and interviews for a longer piece I was producing for German television. I took a couple of cameras with me, my main camera, a Sony FX6, and also an Osmo Pocket 3 for a couple of shots because it fit nicely in the cab of a tractor. It was quite a bright day, so I needed an ND16 filter for the smaller camera. I own the whole set of these tiny little things from Freewell, and I'd like to point out that up to that point I've been quite satisfied with their products. Unfortunately, I had to leave the tractor in a bit of a hurry and the ND filter fell off, not because it was poorly made, just because of my own stupidity. I just want to make that absolutely clear. So somewhere in a field in Bavaria, there's my ND filter, never to be found again. Right afterwards, I looked for a replacement ND16 for the Osmo Pocket 3, but Freewell doesn't sell them separately on platforms like Amazon. Other brands weren't really my cup of tea, or I felt they were kind of overpriced. So for quite a while I thought, alright, I can do without it, and I more or less forgot about the whole thing. That changed in October last year. I needed the Osmo Pocket again for a job, and I contacted Freewell's customer service and received this reply. Thank you very much for your message. At the moment, the ND16 filter for the Osmo Pocket 3 is out of stock. Once it becomes available again, we will update you right away. Your email has already been added to our waiting list. Surprisingly, no one ever got back to me, so I followed up again in December. This time the reply was rather astonishing. With multiple new launches such as the iPhone 17, DJI Osmo 360 and more, our production schedule is completely full until the middle of next year. In a nutshell, that meant, dear customers, sorry for losing your ND filter, please wait 1 year for a solution. Alright then, let's wait and see. A few more months passed and in April 2026 I contacted customer service again. And, surprisingly, they sent me an order link leading to their website. Now I need your full attention. Can you see any problems on the horizon at that point? I didn't. But I should have, because if I had clicked on delivery terms, I would have seen this. The buyer is responsible for all customs fees, VAT, import duties, shipping charges, handling fees, and warehouse processing fees as required by local laws. You can probably guess what happens next. The separate ND16 filter from Freewell costs around $20, plus another $35 for shipping and handling, so that's already about $55. I was aware of that and there wasn't really another option since, like I said, you can't buy these filters individually elsewhere. But wait, there is more. What happens next really felt like a crash landing. Out of nowhere, another email appeared in my inbox. FedEx asked me to pay 14 euros, so about 16 US dollars for customs duties and import tax. That brings the total to around $70 for a tiny ND16 filter for an Osmo Pocket 3. For comparison, the entire set originally cost me $170, so I paid nearly half the price for the full set for just one replacement. If I remember correctly, I once had a similar issue with DJI and they refunded the tax without any further discussion. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not suggesting anything illegal or fraudulent here. I'm telling you this story to make sure you're aware of what can happen if you lose one of these tiny little buggers and you're trying to replace it. The whole situation reminded me of something pretty important. There may be plenty of YouTubers telling you a product is fantastic and that they're very satisfied, but that's only one part of the story. Customer service matters just as much, and unfortunately my experience with Freewell hasn't been a particularly good one. In the end, after a bit of back and forth via email, they offered me a 10% discount voucher for my next order. We'll see if I will ever use it. Alright, that's it for today. Most importantly, handle these tiny little ND filters with care. From my own experience, shooting situations can be hectic and tricky, so take your time and store them properly. Cheerio, and don't forget to buy a ticket for the next flight.